Today we are going to discuss about pass-to algorithm of linking loader. In the last section we have discussed about pass-1 algorithm of linking loader. So what is the role of that pass-1 algorithm of linking loader means assigning addresses to the external symbols and constructing the external symbol table. After that intermediate file should be given as an input to the pass-to algorithm of linking loader. Now let us see what are the operations to be performed by the pass-to algorithm of linking loader. It performs the actual loading, relocation and linking. The actual operation should be done by the pass-to algorithm of linking loader. It will process text record and modification record. There we have seen the pass-1 algorithm of linking loader. It will process text record and header record and defined record. But pass-to algorithm, because needs the addresses one, that is linked with the header record and defined record. But here the main thing is related with the text record, that object code, that and also the any relocation is required for that information should be there in the modification record. So it will process text record and modification record. Get address of external symbol from external symbol table, because already that external symbol table is constructed during the pass-1 algorithm of linking loader. So where it can get the external symbols. When read T record means the text record means moving object code to the specified address. So it will read the text record and it will take the object code that will be loaded into memory in the particular memory location for execution. When read M record means the modification record. Then it handles that modification record. Reads means it is going to handle the modification, the relocation with the help of modification record. Then last step is transfer control to the address in E. That end record E, that end record starts with E, that will be followed by the address of the first instruction to be executed. From that the address will be taken and the starts the execution. And here the problem is, if more than one transfer address is there means which one we can prefer means we can use the last one. If no transfer which at all means transfer control to the first instruction, that is program address. Instead program address will be a program address means that will be having the program load address. So that is taken as a instruction address. Now we'll see the algorithm. So all we know, first initially that program address is same as assigned to the control section address, because the first control section address is same as the program load address. Then set that is program load address is assigned to executable address, and then here our same process will be continued while not end of input by read next input record, that is header record. That set CSL length CSLTH to control section length. When record type is not equal to E, what is going to read the next input record. If record type equal to T means what is the role, it has to store that object code into the memory. Okay, if like object code is in character form, suppose it is in character form means ASCII representation, some other thing it will be used, then using that it should be converted into internal representation. Move object code from record to location, that is control section address plus specified address. NFT. So like this way all the text records will be processed. The text record contains object code that will be loaded into the corresponding memory locations. Else if record equal to M means modification record. If a modification record is there means we can understand the program needs modification during relocation, that is a relocation process is important. Otherwise the relocation process is not necessary. That will search the external symbol table for modifying symbol name. Which symbol name we are going to modify, that information also will be there in the external symbol table. We have to search that. And then if found means, what is the found means, add or subtract symbol value at location, that is control section address plus specified address. Otherwise it is not found means set error flag. Okay, like this the operation should be continued for all the text record and end record. Finally that exe executable address to control section address plus specified address. Add control section length to control section address. then it will give the address of the next control section. Okay, then jump to location given by executable address means that is a address of the first instruction to be executed, that will be stored in the end record. So like this way the linking loader is going to perform the operations linking, relocation and loading, relocation and linking. Okay, that should be taken care by the linking loader. I think all you people understood the loaders and linkers with the examples. What are the data structures used, algorithms used, what are the implementation examples used, all those things. Thank you. And here some of the other things also you have to concentrate. So when you are preparing for exam, please go through that algorithm. You can write, it's a pseudo code, you can understand the steps, you can write it by yourself, and wherever it is required the symbols, that is E, T, and then the representing that modification record M, and the data structures we are going to use ESTAB means ESTAB only you have to use to refer the external symbol table. Okay, and for control section length means CLTH only use. Control section address means you got to use CSADDR. So that things you got to follow uniformly, and you should remember what are the data structures used. So along with that, already we have seen three system softwares: assembler, what are the data structures used and what are the algorithms used, and then next macro processor, same there also what are the data structures and algorithms are used. Now loader, linker also you should know what are the data structures are there, what are the algorithms we are using, FAST1 algorithm, FAST2 algorithm and so on. So be clear about the things and prepare for your exam. Thank you.